It was at lunchtime. I was leaving my job, so I peeled Irish potatoes. After peeling, I made fire on my gas cook and I was ready with a pan. So I put all Irish potatoes I peeled and I immediately wait a moment. So I had the egg in my hand. I would like after all to put the egg for making a Spanish omelette. Please welcome and you look at how things come and become fine. At this next stage, some of the chips were about to finish. As you are looking, they were all about to finish. So you can see that I was having my pan with the chips at the second round. I cut some onion and I put in chips within my saucepan. So you can see some of the leftover peelings of onion. So as I was cooking, I was really happy to look and I was able and happily to eat. So at the next stage, you can see again I was putting all eggs. The step that I did not put is the way I mixed my eggs. So I took an egg, I break it, I put it into a cup and then I mixed. After mixing, I put on fire with a reduced fire, as you can see. So I poured my eggs into my chips, then I wait a moment. There I am waiting. As you can see, we are still waiting. This coming stage, as you can see, I'm comparing the chip with no eggs there together with that one I was cooking. Which one you can choose at that stage? Now another stage I'm showing you while having appetite, being ready to eat happily. You can see that I am happy there. So all what I planned is ready. Can you see? That is the happiness of someone who is going to eat. Please, you can say, oh my God, this is how now I'm enjoying my chips after I have made Spanish omelette. Is it difficult to make? I think that wherever you are, you can make it. Make life simple. Just, it did not even cost me $1.50. Never. It's just $1 and like about to be a half. You can see that that is the happiness of someone who is enjoying his food. So it's okay. So come and we share. Come and we share. What kind of food do you wish I will cook for you next time? And that is the happiness of someone who is enjoying. Look at how now it is. So I use my hand to eat just because I was really there sitting down. I did not want to go on the table. So thank you.